Hi everyone. So this is the sleeve and Cotter joint. Totally we are having three parts. The first part is the rod end, the second part is the sleeve, and the third part is the Cotter. So I'm going to tell you about how to draw all the three parts. In the next video I will show you how to do the assembly. So open the Creo parametric 2.0, select the working directory, desktop, CAD parts, right click, new folder, sleeve and Cotter, click OK, and then click OK. New part. So first part is rod end, so type it as rod end and click OK. So I'm on a spot solid, click OK. So this is how the screen will be looking like. So first thing what you have to do is you have to set the material property. So select the material, change. So the material what you have given for the rod end is Fe410W. Fe410W. So what you have to do is select Fe40 horizontal part, click here and then double click here. You will be having a screen. So Fe410W, click OK. So then click OK. Now we have assigned the material. So you have to assign the material because after doing assembly and after while drafting you have to create the bill of materials. So for that you have to assign the material name. So now we'll go with the part. So first what we have to do is we have to draw the side view, that is draw a circle and extrude it for 86 mm, and we can draw this part. So first right side view, sketch view, draw a circle, click the scroll button. The circle diameter is 30. So diameter of the circle is 30, and we have to extrude it for 86 mm. So click OK, then extrude it for 86. Click OK. And then what we have to do, we have to create the chamfer that is 2 into 45 degree. What we have to do is click this corner and select here. You have chamfer and angle into D or angle into D. It is 45 and the distance is 2 mm. Then click OK. This is how we have to create the chamfer. And next what we have to do is you have to draw the diameter of 25. So they haven't given the length, so we can assume it and we can draw it. So select this surface and click sketch view, draw a circle. The diameter of the circle is 25. Drawn the circle, click OK, and then extrude it for 100 or 50, 70. We'll keep it as 50 mm. Then click OK. So this is how we have to draw the rod end. So everything we have drawn. So if you need to give the round here, you can. So click this edge, then select round 2 mm or 3 mm, click OK. So this is how the part will be like. So next what you have to do is we have to draw this where the Cotter will be fixing. So we have to draw it. So we cannot draw it directly, and we cannot extrude it because we have a taper here for 1:30 mm. So it means that for every 1 mm, the width will be reduced by 1 mm for every 30 mm height. So that is the meaning. So here it is 36.5 and here it will be 35.5. So what we can do is we have to use the option called as swept blend. So for drawing the swept blend we need a trajectory line. So what we can do is we can select this plane and give sketch, front plane and give sketch view, select reference points from here and draw a line, draw a trajectory line which is of 25 mm. So it is 25 mm away from this corner, so 25, enter. So now I have drawn the trajectory line, click OK. Now what you have to do is you have to select the swept plane, select this line and go for sections. So section 1, click sketch 1. So you will be having one point of the line and then give sketch. So you can clearly see that I have selected the one point of the line. Click sketch view. So next what you have to do is you have to draw the upper rectangle. So that is 7.5 mm and the length is 36.5. 36.5. So draw a rectangle. This point to this point it is 36.5 mm. Is 7.5. So 36.5 and here it is 7.5. Click enter. So 7. Section 2 and then give sketch. So here what you have to do, you have to draw it for a rectangle for 35.5. So here it is 35.5 and so here you have to give 35.5 and this length is, sorry, you have to draw a rectangle. So rectangle. .5 into here it is the same 7.5. Okay. So you can see here you have the other rectangle. Click OK. So you can see drawn like this 35.5 and 36.4. Click remove material. The material will be removed over here. And then click OK. So next we have to give the fillet. So click this and give round. So 7.5 divided by 2 is 3.75. Here it is 3.75. here it is 3.75 and here it is 3.75. Click OK. So this is how you have to draw rod end. So next we will draw sleeve. File, save, automatically save this part. Okay. So next object will be part, rod end, and next is the sleeve. So this is the second part, sleeve. So same sleeve. Click OK. And as possible. Okay. Select the right view, give sketch view. So diameter 60 and I have diameter 30. So sketch circle, draw the two circles. One circle is of diameter 30, other circle is of diameter 60. Click OK. Then extrude it for 166 mm. Extrude it for 166. We have to draw contour on the both we have to fix the contour on the both sides. So we can extrude on both sides of sketch plane. So the plane will be at the center. And click OK. So we have a fillet here. So we'll draw the fillet later. First we'll draw the taper. So for that what you have to do is you have to draw a trajectory line of 25 mm from this side. So click this plane. Click the front plane and then click sketch. Click the reference points. Draw the trajectory line for 25 mm away from the corner. And then click OK. So click swept plane. So you will be having a trajectory point. And then click the section 1 and then click sketch and then section 2. So one rectangle you have to draw for 37 mm. So the taper is 1:30. So draw a rectangle. So the rectangle is 37 and the length is 7.5. So 37 and this 7.5. I have drawn the one rectangle, and then what you have to do, you have to insert the second section and then click the second section and then you have to give sketch. So you can see that the other corner of the line is selected. So give sketch view. Now here they have given taper is 1:30. That means that for every 30 mm height the width will be 1 mm reduced. So here we have 60 mm height, so 2 mm will be reduced. So instead of 37 we have to draw for 35. So draw a rectangle. So here it is 35 and the length will be 7.5. Then click OK. So you can see here the taper is created. So click the remove material and then click OK. So when you see it in the front view, so you can see the taper here. So you can see the taper here. So this is tapper is created. So now what I can do is I can do mirror option. So select this area, select mirror, and then select this plane, and then click OK. So the other side I have created the tapper. So this is how we have to draw the second part, that is the sleeve. Now you can save the file and then close it. So we'll draw the third part now. The third part is the cotter. So forgot to fix the material, so make sure you fix the material for each and every part. What you can do is you can open the part, you can open the same part, cancel, open, sleeve, open. First thing what you have to do is you have to assign the material. Properties, material, 40, insert, OK. Change, double click, instead of 440, it's 10 W. Click OK. OK. Close. Click Control S. Save. Click OK. And then close it. So next is new part, cotter. Click OK. Spot solid. OK. So here how you can draw this cotter is you can draw it using swept blend, or you can draw the exact front view and you can extrude it for 7.5 mm. So anything would be easier. So one thing which I would suggest that you can draw it using swept blend, or you can draw the exact this tapper part and you can extrude it. So cotter, so we can draw it using the swept blend option. First you have to select the front view, sketch view. You have to draw a trajectory line. So I'm drawing trajectory line. So the height is 88 mm. 8 mm. Click OK. Click, you can see that I've drawn a line. You have to click the swept blend, sections, section 1, sketch, and then view, sketch view. So you have to draw a rectangle, and you have to, the length is 34.5 and the width is 7.5. Draw a rectangle. So 34.5, 7.5. Click OK. So you can see that I have drawn one section. Click insert for section 2 and then select the section 2 and then use sketch. So automatically you will be having the section 2. So here it is, the tapper is 1:30. So you have to find the length of this. So here it is 88. So what we can do is open the calculator. So 88 divided by 90 will give you, so 88 divided by 30 will give you 2.933, because 88 the tapper is 30 mm. So for every 30 mm height 1 mm will be reduced. So for 88 mm 2.933 mm will be reduced. So when you minus 34.5 divided by 2.933, so 34.5 minus 2.93333 gives you 31.56. That is approximately 31.57. So you have to draw a rectangle for 31.57 width. So 31.57. And so click enter. 31.57. part is created here, and then click OK. So this is how the Cotter is created. Now we have to give the tab round option, fillet. So click this, click round. So 7.5 divided by 2. Select it on all the corners. And then click OK. So this is how the Cotter is created. So we have to assign the Cotter material is steel. So click file, click manage files, click prepare model properties, change. We will be having steel over here. Steel. Click OK. And then close. So this is how we have to create Cotter. And we have created all the parts. And in the next video, we will do the assembly. So save it. OK. Click close. So now we are going to assemble the sleeve, Cotter and the rod end. So this is the 3 part which we have drawn it already. Now we are going to assemble it. So for that what you have to do is you have to open the new assembly. Use type it as sleeve Cotter. Click OK. First thing what you have to do is you have to fix the base part, that is assemble sleeve open it. So this is the first part which we are going to fix it. So you have to arrest this 6 degrees of freedom. One is right movement, left movement, this side and up and down, and all the 3 sides of rotation. So first thing I am fixing this plane with this plane, that is coincident, and this plane with this plane, that is coincident, and I have now only this one. For that, clicking the front plane. Now it is fully constrained. Then click OK. Now we have fixed the base part. Next what we have to do is we have to fix the rod end. So click rod end and open. So now it will be looking like this. Click the front view and see it in the wireframe whether the tapper is exactly fitting it. We have a tapper like this over here and this over here, which is exactly perfect to the part. If not, you can rotate it and or adjust it wherever you made it. So now click on the axis with this axis and this plane coincident with this plane. Then you can view, instead of distance you can view coincident. Now it is exactly fitting into this sleeve. Click OK. So you can see the part which is exactly fitting. So we need a gap for the clearance value. Yeah. Next we have to assemble the next part, that is the XAM rod end. Open it. So move it and keep it here over here. So what we have to do, we have to rotate it. So rotate it like this for 180 degree and click front view. Sure the tapper is exactly perfect. Front view, wireframe. here taper is exactly this way and also this way. Now it's exactly fitted. So what we have to do is select this axis and this axis and this plane coincident with this plane. So click coincident. Now it's exactly fitting into the sleeve. So now we have fixed both the sleeve part. So for next what you have to do is you have to fix the cotter. So assemble cotter pin, open it and click the front view and click the wireframe. So now we have to tilt it to exactly 290 degree. Taper is like this, and here the taper is like this. The taper is exactly fitting. So what we have to do is we have to fix the plane. Select this plane coincident to this plane. So instead of angle offset, click coincident. Now it's exactly fitting. So now what we have to do is we have to click the up and we can arrest the up and down movement where we have to fix the plane. So we don't have the center plane over here. So what we can do is we can fix this plane with this plane. So instead for distance we can give the half, it is 88, so we can give 44. Now it will be exactly at the center. And next what we have to do is we have to fix it with the tangent. So select this surface and this surface. So it is tangent, give it as tangent. Now it will be exactly fitting into the hole. So we should have a clearance value and we should not see any hole in the rod. Now it's exactly fitting into the sleeve. Then click OK. So we have fixed one cotter. Now open, assemble cotter, open it. Sorry. Move it and keep it over here. Click front view and click wireframe and make sure the taper is exactly perfect. This side, this side, this side. I think so. I made a mistake in the rodding. So the taper is exactly fitting into it, and click the shading edges. And what we can do is first we have to fix the planes. So select this plane and this plane. We can give it as distance of 44 mm. And we can fix the tangent. So this tangent is coincident with this tangent. Now it is exactly fitting into the hole where I don't have any part. So click OK. Now we have assembled the entire sleeve and cotter. So we can see it in the section in the X direction. Sorry, it's in the Y direction. Y. Sorry, we can cut it in the Z direction. you can see that I have fixed the part very perfectly. So click front view. So this side it is exactly perfect, and here I have made a mistake where I have to rotate the entire sleeve. So that is the main mistake what I have done. Here it is taper is coming like this, and here I have fixed it like this. So that is the problem, that is the mistake what I have done. But rest thing I have fixed it entirely perfect. So now you can see I have changed it. So what I have done is I have gone to open the Cotter again, and I have assembled it again. So this is how you have to draw the sleeve and Cotter and assemble it also. You can see it from the front view. We have a clearance over here and over here, here, here and here. So this is how you have to assemble the sleeve and Cotter job, full entire section. So if you need to change the color, you can change it. Clicking this and click OK. The color will be changed. And for the sleeve you can do green color. And for something little pink color. So this is how you have to create the top section of the sleeve. So you can save it and